Greetings and introductions. Hey, how have you been? It's been a while. Nice to finally meet you. I've heard so much about you. What's your name again? Sorry, I'm terrible with names. Where are you originally from? Have you been living here long? It's great to see you again. How's everything going? Long time no see. What have you been up to lately? So, what do you do for work? Do you enjoy it? It's a pleasure meeting you. I've been looking forward to this. How's your day treating you so far? Anything exciting? Good morning. Did you sleep well last night? Keeping a conversation going. That's really interesting. Can you tell me more about it? I totally get what you mean. I've felt the same way before. That sounds like a great idea. How did you come up with it? I see what you're saying, but I have a slightly different perspective. Wow, that's incredible. How did you manage to do that? I'm sorry, I didn't quite catch that. Could you repeat it more slowly? So, what do you think about this whole situation? I'd love to hear your opinion on this. What's your take? I completely agree with you. That makes a lot of sense. I've never thought about it that way before. That's a great point. Asking for and giving information. Excuse me, could you help me find the nearest pharmacy? Do you happen to know where I can catch a bus to the city center? How much is this, and do you accept credit cards? Could you recommend a good place to eat around here? Sorry to bother you, but do you know if this train stops at Oxford? I'm looking for a hotel nearby. Do you know any good ones? I'm not from around here. Could you give me some directions? What's the best way to get to the airport from here? Do you know how long it usually takes to get there by car? I heard the weather is going to be bad tomorrow. Is that true? Making plans and socializing. What are you doing this weekend? Would you like to meet up? Let's grab a coffee sometime next week. What day works for you? Do you want to check out that new Italian restaurant on Friday? I was thinking of going to the movies. Would you like to join me? How about meeting at 7 p.m.? Does that time work for you? I might be a little late, but I'll let you know when I'm on my way. Let's meet at the entrance of the mall. I'll text you when I get there. That plan sounds awesome. I'm totally in. I'd love to, but I already have something planned for that day. Maybe we can reschedule for another time? I don't want to miss it. Expressing feelings and opinions. To be honest, I'm not a big fan of horror movies. They scare me too much. I absolutely love Italian food. Have you ever tried homemade pasta? I'm so excited about my trip next month. I've been planning it for ages. I'm feeling a bit overwhelmed today. There's just too much going on. I had such a stressful day at work. I really need to unwind. I completely understand how you feel. That must have been frustrating. I'm really grateful for your help. I don't know what I would have done without you. I'm not sure if that's the best idea. Maybe we should think it over. I didn't mean to upset you. If I did, I sincerely apologize. Have a great rest of your day. It was really nice talking to you.